A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Welcome
W,
to
X,
Toddlers Art
Y,
Hub.
and Z.
Hello,
Now
little
I know
artists.
my
Welcome to
ABCs.
Toddlers Art
Next
Hub,
time,
where we're
won't
about to
you
create a
sing
delightful
with me?
masterpiece that will make your tummy rumble, a birthday
A, B,
cake.
C, D,
To
E,
start,
F,
take your
G,
black marker
H,
and let's
I,
dive
J,
into the
K,
sweet
L, M,
world of
N, O, P,
creativity.
Q, R,
First,
S,
draw the first
T,
layer of
U,
the cake.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
It's the
Next time,
foundation of
won't
our
you
cakey
sing
creation.
with me?
Now,
The
let's
wheels
add the
on the
top
bus
layer,
go
making our
round
cake
and
even
round,
more scrumptious.
round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus
Up
go
top,
swish,
add 3
swish,
lovely
swish,
birthday candles to make
all
it
through
shine and
the
sparkle.
town. On the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
And to make our cake truly magical, let's add some sparkles on the upper part of both cake layers.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
But our cake isn't complete without a smiling face.
A, B, C, D,
Draw 2
E,
eyes and a
F, G,
cheerful, smiley
H,
mouth
I,
on the
J,
lower
K,
layer.
L, M, N, O, P,
Our drawing
Q,
is now
R,
complete.
S,
Awesome!
T,
Make
U,
sure to
V,
outline the entire
W,
cake with a
X,
bold and sharp
Y,
black
and
marker.
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
With our cake beautifully drawn, let's bring it to life with some delicious colors. Red color,
All through the town. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all
green
through
color,
the town. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
blue
S,
color,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
yellow
won't
color,
you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
orange color,
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
green color,
W, X, Y,
pink
and
color.
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the
Orange
bus
color,
go swish, 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 all through the town. On the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on
green
the bus
color,
goes beep, 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 all through the town. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
yellow color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
And there you have it, young artists, our delightful birthday cake. It's almost good enough to eat, isn't it? Keep your creative juices flowing and keep practicing your artistic skills. You're becoming quite the little artist. Don't forget to share your colorful creations with us. See you soon, and keep those creative moments coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.